You need your CVOR. You need to get your CVOR fast. You need to get your CVOR with as little stress as humanly possible. Not having your CVOR is holding you back. Your goals and your dreams are not being fulfilled. Starting your CVOR company is difficult. Getting your CVOR is likely the hardest part. The CVOR Test Prep course is here to help you. I went and wrote the CVOR test for you 6 times. And each time I wrote the test, I went back to my car and I wrote down all the questions. I recorded the questions in my car, and now I have more than 100 questions to help you move and get that CVOR license fast and with as little stress as possible. So click today before the government makes me take down my course. There is a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can write the CVOR Test Prep course, my course, as many times as you need to feel prepared and confident to go in and write your own CVOR test. So click today before they make me take this course down. And by the way, I reward action takers. I have a very special price for the CVOR Test Prep course today.